Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to create a stunning website for your food business using the Wix. So whether you run a restaurant, food truck, or catering service, we will cover everything you need, including setting up an online ordering system. So let's get started. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is to go to their website and search it in the Google, which is Wix Studio. And once your content is ready, it's time to build your website. So right after you head to the wix.com and of course, sign up for an account. And if you don't have one, you can create an account for free, guys. And here, if you click on this My Workspace, guys, you'll be directed to their main dashboard of the Wix Studio, wherein you'll be able to see different kind of sites that I have made, guys. So here, you can view all the website and manage it, guys. So in this part, guys, you'll be able to see here different options. But right now, guys, when you go here, guys, you need to tap on this one. So click on create new site. And right after that one, once you create the new site, guys, they will ask you some options here. If you want to create a site that will be use a template from their website, or you will start from scratch, which is the studio blank canvas here. So here, guys, in this tutorial we are going to depend on their template. So right after that one, guys, you can search for templates here using the keywords like restaurant, cafe, or food. So here you can choose a template and start creating here. And here, guys, you can preview templates and pick the one that matches your brand. And of course, guys, look for designs with built-in online ordering features. So here, as you can see here, you can scroll down here. Depending on you guys, you can first view it if you want to, or edit it directly. You just need to tap on the edit button or the view button here. So here, I'm having a hard time choosing a template here, guys, because all of them are very nice. So I think I'm gonna choose wait. So here, let's try to see it here. So here, guys, is what the template I have chosen. So with the template selected, guys, we can now start customizing it for our food business. So right now, guys, the first thing we need to do here is to change the business name, guys. So here, guys, you can also add your logo and name. You can replace the placeholder logo with your business logo here. And you can also type your business name in a clean, bold font here. Right after this one, guys, is you can also go to the navigation menu, which is the right side. Here, you can rename menu items to reflect your needs. For example, this one, the home, menu, about, order online, and then the contact here. So here, I'm gonna change this Y into, I guess, a Kai kitchen here. And right after that one, guys, is by customizing the homepage here. So here, you can replace the headline here like this one. So here, you can change it into like delicious food delivered to your door or fresh ingredients, tasty meals. So here, as you can see here, guys, you can include a call to action, of course, guys. Here, you can also change the image here by tapping on this one. And here, you can upload an image from your computer, which is your own image of your food, restaurant, or your menu. But right now, guys, in this tutorial, I'm just gonna use a stock image from this Wix Studio. So take note, guys, if you want to make your food website, guys, make sure to use your own image, guys, and use a high quality image. So but right now, I'm just gonna choose here a stock images from the Wix Studio. For example, to that is this one. And of course, guys, highlight your menu here, guys. You can use a section to showcase your most popular dishes with images, names, and short description. Of course, guys, don't forget to add a call to action like the view menu. Here, once they click that one, they will be directed to the other page, which is the menu, guys. Of course, add a link once you tap on that one. So here, guys, as you can see here, this is the space to introduce the restaurant menu. So here you can add here one. So welcome to Kai Kitchen, a culinary haven. So here I'm gonna edit the text. I'm gonna change this one into a bold. So here in this part, you can change here this about your font. You can change the size, the style, or of course the color here. And of course, guys, right after that one, you'll be able to see that one. Here you can also bold it. So here I'm gonna bold it, guys. And here is the result. And in this part, guys, you'll be able to see here a testimonial section. Here, guys, you can add here as you can see here, it's a Yummy Confessions here. So here you can add reviews from satisfied customers along with their photos or their initials here. And of course, guys, here is it, the footer section. And right now, guys, I'm gonna teach you how to use some, what do we call this, the app of this website. So once you go to the Wix app market, guys, you can search for Wix Restaurant. There you can install the app to enable online ordering there. And of course, you can add your menu items to the Wix Restaurant app and set availability for each item, the inner or all day. And of course, configure delivery areas, pickup options, and estimated preparation times. You can also add payment options, guys, like link your Wix account to a payment gateway like PayPal, Strike, or Wix payment, guys. And as you can see here, you can see here different elements here. And in the build about page, guys, you can share your story, mission, and what sets your food apart. So here is the introducing your business. Here, guys, you need to include photos of your theme or kitchen to personalize the experience. And of course, guys, in the setting up the contact page, don't forget to add your phone number, email, and address. And you can also view it on a mobile view, guys. Ensure all elements look great and are easy to navigate on mobile device. You can also test the order now button, guys, to confirm it's functional. And your website is almost ready, so let's optimize it for search engines and publish it. And here you can go to the menu and pages, click on a page, and select SEO, guys. You can also use relevant terms like order food online, best restaurant in your city, and food delivery. And also, guys, you can add a live chat feature to answer customers' question in real time. And of course, the Google Analytics, which is to monitor site traffic and customer behavior. Right now, let's try to publish this one, guys, by clicking the publish button at the top right, guys. Wherein it's a blue button here, guys. And of course, we're ready to launch your site and help your customers enjoy your amazing food. So tap on that one and of course, save and continue. And right after that one, you'll be able to see here the view site option. And there, you'll be able to see here, that's it, guys. Your food business website is now live and ready to take orders. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or the ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Bye!